Are you ready to embark on an extraordinary journey into the world of robotics and STEM education? Introducing the STEM DIY Bionic Robot Palm Hand Manipulator, a cutting-edge, open-source educational kit designed to ignite curiosity and inspire creativity. With 5 anti-blocking steering gears and a 180-degree digital steering gear, this robotic hand offers unparalleled flexibility and precision. Whether you're a curious child or a seasoned engineer, the possibilities are endless. But that's not all. Our kit comes with everything you need to get started, including acrylic brackets, power adapters, controllers, and even PS2 and somatosensory gloves for intuitive control. And the best part? It's open source, meaning you'll have access to the source code, control board schematics, and development tools, allowing you to customize and expand upon your creations. I never imagined learning STEM could be this fun and engaging. The possibilities with this robotic hand are truly limitless. As a teacher, I've seen firsthand how this kit sparks curiosity and fosters teamwork among my students. It's an invaluable tool for STEM education. So, what are you waiting for? Join the STEM revolution today and unlock the potential of tomorrow. Like, share, and comment to spread the word, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates and products from Yufang Smart. Ready to take your STEM education to the next level? Click the link in the description to buy now.